Hi kids, good morning. Saira, I am Megha Miss here, your drawing teacher. So, today also we are going to make a very interesting drawing. You will like it. So, you're excited to hear our today's topic? Yes, so our today's topic is cat. I know you like cat, right? So the way you love cat, you will also love to draw this cat because very easily and in very simple way we are going to make a very beautiful cat. Okay, so here we go. See, like this. So topic you will write my cat. Okay, so for drawing cat, first we will draw head. For head, I am drawing circle shape like this. Make a big circle shape. Now for body, make a U shape, big U shape. How much big I am making? This broad from down. This. Okay. Now we will make legs of the cat from down. Rub little for making legs like this. For making leg, first make two standing line like this, then join that lines with a U shape. Finished. So another leg also in the same way. Like this. Now remaining two legs we are going to draw small as it is behind the cat. So make only U shape. See here, don't leave a gap. See how I have made like this. Okay, so four legs are finished. Now draw nails of the cat. How I am making. Don't make more. Only four lines like this. Finished. Now ears I am making using V shape. First make one V shape. Inside that one more. Like this make big ears. Another side also same way. Over. Now we will make face. First we will make eyes. For eyes make two small circles. Make small, not big. Okay. For nose make triangle shape. For mouth first make W shape and then C shape like this. Now make three lines one side like this, another side also three lines like this. Now we will draw tail of the cat. See from where I am starting. You have to use S shape for drawing tail, and how much big I am drawing, that much big. From down, see where I have started like this, double line. Okay, tail is finished. Don't leave your gap. Okay, tail is joined with leg. Make here a design like this. So drawing is finished. Now we will start coloring. It was very simple to draw, right? Okay. So now we will start coloring. Like this you can give outline to your cat. Now I am using here only four colors: red, orange, white and black. Okay. So first I will start with orange color. We will start coloring the face of the cat. First give outline all over the face. See how I am doing. Like this, give outline all over the face. Don't give inside the mouth. Do very properly. Now giving outline is finished. Now see how I am coloring. Do exactly in the same way. You have to give standing color. Don't give the color sleeping, otherwise it will look nice. It will not look nice. Okay, don't give inside eyes, nose and mouth. Don't color this orange color inside eyes, nose and mouth. See where I am coloring orange, there only you color orange. And how I am doing, see that also. If this technique you will use, then only your shading is going to look nice. This much only. Now take white color and merge in orange very properly. Merge it very properly, then only it will look nice. See how I am doing. From all the sides, first merge in orange, then do in the middle part. Don't do inside the nose like this. Merge white color in orange now. Do little white on orange also. How I am doing like this. Okay. So face is finished. Now down also in the same way. First give orange border from all the sides. How I am doing. Do very properly. So border is finished. Now see how I am coloring inside. In the same way you will do sleeping color. In the same way continue down. Remaining part I have done like this, orange. In the legs also and in the tail also orange I have done. But see how much orange I have done, you also do that much. Okay. Now orange color in the ears also I am giving like this. Okay. Now white color we will start merging. First merge in orange from all the sides, then do that white color in the middle. First merge it in orange from all the sides. See how I am doing exactly in the same way like this. Okay. Now same white color give in tail also to the remaining part. Merge it properly and in the ears also. Over. Now take red color. Color in the nose and mouth. Like this. So it is finished. Now with black color we are going to give a very beautiful texture inside the cat, but see how I am doing using a zigzag lines. See how I am doing. Give a zigzag pattern. But see kids, this zigzag lines are very thin. Don't make it broad, otherwise it will not look nice. And see the gaps between each line. The gap should be more. Okay. Gap should be more. Otherwise it will not look nice. And your lines should be thin. And see where I am giving. Don't do more lines. How much I have done, do in the same way. Over. Now in head also we will do same way. Here also your lines should be very thin as it is a face part. And how much I have made, that much only you make. See how much thin. Leave gap more between each lines. Like this. Now same texture we will give in tail also. From one side, then from other side, facing to each other. Like this. Continue it till up. That's it. Now same black color we will give in eyes also. Give it very carefully. Like this. So our coloring is finished. So our cat is looking very nice. Isn't it looking a tiger cat? Yes. Oh, so you like? Okay. I hope you will like this. Bye.